What are you doing? Are you finger painting? Let me see your hands. Oh, are they dirty?
Green one.
What color? What color? No, you can't see the camera. If I turn it the other way, it won't be you. Ooh, look at more. Okay, let Ammon get you more. Ooh, she's getting more. Ooh. Oh. You're right, orange. You're still some orange pants. Look at that pretty picture. Ooh. Let me see your hands. You're sticky. Ooh, nice.
Ooh, Aunt Lenny would be so proud of you.